Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good time to all of you. I hope all are fit and fine. And I am also fit and fine by the grace of mighty Allah. Now I am going to talk about why is important learning English. Learning English is very important for our country peoples because of it is international language. Because of it helps us uh, for communication with people from other countries and better different countries. That's why you have to learn English. Then it gives us better opportunities and good job and education. That's why you have to learn English. Then I want to say you, if you learn English, you get lots of opportunities in our country. You get lots of money and lots of opportunities. That's why you have to learn English. So thank you for listening my video. Inshallah, see you next video. Thank you so very much.